I'll put it in the pot.
Let mommy help you, okay? See your beautiful face. Let me on the light. So that they can see your face. It's beautiful. What do you want to do?
Indomie.
Want to cook Indomie?
Yeah.
Look at your tiny teeth. Let's see your tiny teeth. You want to cook Indomie?
Yes.
How old are you that you want to cook Indomie? How old are you?
3 years old.
You're 3 years old.
Yeah.
And you want to cook Indomie?
Bits.
Bits.
Yes.
It's outside. Okay. You want to cook Indomie? Oh yeah. Show us your ingredients.
I got welcome to my mommy's channel.
Welcome to my mommy's channel. See your face.
Dinosaurs.
It's not dinosaurs. Tomato. It's a tomato.
Tomato.
It's fresh tomato.
Fresh tomato. Onions, egg. Started this.
You say what is this one? What is this one?
Salt. Egg.
What is this one?
Onions.
Onions. What is this?
Pork.
Tomato.
Tomato.
What is this?
Indomie.
Indomie. What is this? This is margarine.
Margarine.
Okay. So you are going to cook. Should I help you?
No.
Should I cook for you?
No.
You want to cook by yourself?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
Guys, this is my water. I put water in the pot.
And I will help her to on the fire. So mommy help her to on the fire.
Now open my Indomie.
Again.
I put my Indomie in the pot.
You put your Indomie in the pot.
Yes.
Okay, put it. Let's see.
I put Indomie money and the pot.
Wow. And put it. Wow. You put it. You did it.
Put in the pot.
What is that?
Put I put in the pot.
This is what?
Onions.
Onions.
I put onions on the pot.
You put onions in the pot.
Yes.
Wow. And let mommy help you, okay? Okay? That is margarine.
Margarine.
Okay, you put it in the pot or you put it.
Okay.
Wow. Good job.
That's a time to put my egg. That's a put my egg in the pot.
You put your egg in the pot. Help you. Let mommy help you, okay? So that fire will not burn your hands, okay? You're happy.
I put more tomatoes in the pot.
You put tomato in the pot. Let me see your tomato. Wow. Let mommy help you, okay? So that fire will not burn your hands. Should I help you? I should help you. Okay. It's delicious.
Yes, I can see
Wow! Your Indomie is delicious. Can I taste it?
Yes.
Okay.